Hey, what is up, guys? Markets are moving right now. We are just creating some good moves. Dixie is create like pretty strong. Dollar is pretty strong. We are just clearing the previous monthly high, and I was expecting either this HPL or this one, and price end up opening gap up for the week. And right now we are strongly clearing the previous monthly high. EU, GU, everything is pretty much bearish. In the last Friday's analysis, I was explaining all the reasons why we were expecting this down move. But since the starting of the week, I was expecting a little bullishness. So I was long uh, Monday in GU and AU, but that didn't play out as expected. Right now, everything's dropping. Like EU is very near to the previous monthly low. So it's definitely something we can treat as a HPL, a high probability liquidity. So for the next sessions, like we are in the Asian, okay, the Asian range is almost closed right now. So we can expect like a setup to trade towards like target towards this HPL. Okay, so EU is strongly trading towards downside. The previous monthly low is far away, but we are just dropping below the previous weekly low. So let's see how this unfolds right now. Gold is creating all-time new highs, like it's like achieving a new mark of 4,000 last day. So the world is going through a really uncertain period, like US shutdown and all things. So okay, QJ opened as a gap up, and till then, like it's flying towards the moon. And AU, I was long in this one and ended up like giving a lot of floating profit. Like I actually there was a floating profit of around 4% in my account, and I trailed my stop for GU and AU. I gave it all. Like the both position end up hitting the stop break even stop, and like as there is a equity wise like midnight watermark daily drawdown, so I was just 1% away from hitting my max daily drawdown last day. So last day I played pretty safe, that's why. Okay, NZD is something interesting actually. I was looking for shorts since Monday, but I failed to capitalize on this one, and that's a really bad thing. Okay, by the way, this setup was pretty clear. Let's see when it actually unfolded. Okay, during the last NY session. So let's see what's going on in USD CHF. It's flying towards upside. UCAD. Okay, in UCAD, I'm looking for long. If you just look at the weekly chart, we are trying to trade back higher towards this. The previous weekly candle high is not clear yet, so the dollar is strong, so we can expect some bullishness in this. TJ, there is nothing. Nothing. Dixie. Okay, so that's my views on all the pairs. Right now, I'm just looking at UCAD and looking for longs. um yeah, that's it, from my side. I'm also gonna look for shorts if I find any like tradable opportunities in you, uh like something like this. I'm definitely gonna look for, if price was a structural shift at around this level, I will look for a short and target towards this level. So yeah, this area is also lining up with this previous resistance, previous supports, which is going to turn into resistance. So definitely that can be a really good setup. But at the same time, it's also possible, like before London Open, we will clear this HPL, right? The previous monthly low. If that happens, this setup will become invalid. So yeah, that's all from my side. See you soon after session.